Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting a couple minutes. That prevents SRS and electrical faults. Next, slide the seat fully back and remove the plastic kick and side trim to expose fasteners. Use a 17 mm or 19 mm socket and break the front and rear rail bolts loose, but do not fully remove all bolts yet. This keeps the seat stable. Once the visible bolts are loose, tilt the seat to access connectors and lower trim for the next steps. Now you support the seat with a low jack or a helper, safety first. Remove the final rail bolts while the seat is supported, then carefully unplug all electrical connectors, power seat motors, seat heater, and the SRS airbag harness. Press the locking tabs and pull straight to avoid damage. If rails stick, use penetrating oil and work the rails back and forth. This frees corroded sliders. Once the rails are clear and connectors free, you'll have the seat only attached by wiring and can prepare to lift it. With connectors unplugged and rails removed, you and another person lift the seat straight up. Avoid twisting or stretching the SRS harness and watch for trap trim. Place the seat on a protective blanket to prevent damage. When reinstalling, route connectors the same way, secure clips and torque rail bolts to factory spec. This ensures rail alignment and safety. Finally, reconnect the battery and test sliding, recline, heaters, and the airbag lamp. Troubleshooting tip. If an electrical plug won't seat, inspect for bent pins or debris and gently clean before forcing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.